Tiger?
Good evening or afternoon. Hi. Thank you. मुझे याद है 2 साल पहले आया था यहाँ for my first film हीरोपंती, and 2 years later I'm here. I haven't stepped into PVR since then. But I'm very thankful, बहुत ही शुक्रगुजार हूँ मैं to Sajid sir, Siddharth sir, Sabir sir, my director, Shraddha, and the rest of the team, Bagi team, of course. I'm blessed to be here today, and I'm blessed to be a part of such an honest, real film. I'm blessed to have a chance to show a little bit of my talent again. I'm very thankful that I've met so many new people in this journey. First time working with Shraddha Kapoor. I mean, being such a big star that she is, when you're talking to her, she doesn't, she behaves so normal and simple. It's just inspiring being around her. And so thank you so much, Shraddha. Again, we're repeating, other than Shraddha, the Heropanthi team from Siddharth sir, Sajid sir, and Sabir sir, of course. Blessed to be working with them, and I hope Sajid sir won't be sick of me after this film. But yeah, I'm just very fortunate, and I just hope you guys enjoyed the trailer. I'll pass it on to Shraddha now. जी बागी हूँ मैं एक मकसद के लिए पर I'm not not just
Hi.
like that. Actually, हकीकत में I haven't. I'm really not much of a बागी, पर जी कोशिश करता हूँ मैं whatever I believe in, to stand firmly by that, and even if that means I have to be a बागी for it, तो ज़रूर जी इस मामले में I can be a बागी, yes.
Hello.
Hi, I am from the Bus Diary. My question is to both you guys, Tiger and Shraddha. Has a realization struck yet that there's so much adulation, the way these guys were screaming when the trailer was on? Has it struck yet? You guys are stars, big stars.
Yeah, I think when the first time when we watched it, I was lost in the trailer. But then the second time when it played again, I started listening to the reactions, and that was really, gave me goosebumps. And it was really flattering, and it feels good when all your hard work gets applauded, and gets that adulation. So it's all worth it at the end. Yeah. Thank you so much, by the way, for loving our trailer. Thank you.
Hi, Shraddha.
Hi, Tiger
Just
here.
to add to that, if I may, the first time that we both actually saw the trailer, we were really excited. हम बहुत charged up हो गए. हम almost हमारी सीट से हम गिर गए और साबिर सर वहीं पे थे और हमें the energy है ट्रेलर में, it just got into us somehow. और Sabir sir is the reason why this trailer is so amazing, because day and night he has been into it.
I think it's the entire team is behind it, and hats off to everyone on it. Yeah.
But yeah, definitely बहुत अच्छा लगता है when all you guys over there are cheering and shouting and enjoying the trailer. It encourages you, so अच्छा लगता है, and you feel good about it.
Hi, Tiger here from ITV Network. वसीम अख्तर here.
Hi, sir.
प्रोमो देख के यार एनर्जी आ गई. ऐसा लग रहा है कि तोड़ फोड़ देने का दिल कर रहा है. It's like that.
गलत बात है सर.
अच्छा, ये तो अच्छी बात है कि दूसरी फिल्म आ रही है 2 साल के बाद, लेकिन 2 साल इतना बड़ा गैप, क्योंकि आपने डेब्यू किया था 2 साल पहले.
हाँ जी.
जब कोई न्यू कमर आता है तो लगातार 3-4 फिल्में उसको मिल ही जाती हैं तकरीबन 2 साल के अंदर.
बिल्कुल.
So what was the reason behind?
I was just not in a rush, sir. I thought हीरोपंती में मुझे बहुत प्यार मिली है, बहुत ही शुक्रगुजार हूँ कि I've got acceptance so early. So keeping that in mind, एक expectation है मुझ पे, एक उम्मीद है मुझ पे अभी. So I think the second film is as important or maybe more important than the first film. So I just wanted to make the right choice and take my time. And thankfully my producer, my director, gave me that time to prepare for this
और वो
film.
नतीजा आप देख रहे हो इस ट्रेलर में.
टाइगर हियर.
Hi.
आपके फादर ने भी बगावती तेवर दिखाए थे अपने जमाने में हीरो में.
और अभी भी दिखाते हैं.
नहीं और हाँ, और आपने भी इस फिल्म में आपने जो अपनी शुरुआत की फिल्म में,
हाँ जी.
उसमें भी बगावती तेवर थे.
कोशिश तो करी मैंने. हाँ जी, थैंक यू.
जहाँ तक एक्शन की बात है तो एक्शन में आप उनके भी बाप निकले. लेकिन एक्सप्रेशन में आपके फादर को आप बीट नहीं कर पाए.
नहीं कोई टक्कर में नहीं है उनका.
तो आप ज्यादा बेहतर बागी किसको मानते हैं, अपने पापा को या अपने को?
पापा, hands down पापा, कोई कंपैरिजन नहीं है. जी.
जी, और दोबारा इसी टीम के साथ जुड़ने की कोई खास वजह?
किस्मत अच्छी थी मेरी. Thank you.
थैंक यू.
Tiger, like in the trailer looks amazing. Yeah. Priyanka from India Forums.
Hi.
The trailer looks amazing.
Thank
You're
you.
both fabulous in
Thank
the
you.
trailer. We have seen you, pack some good powerful punches. So in real life, कभी किसी को धोया है ऐसे?
No, बिल्कुल नहीं. I am the total opposite.
real life में Tiger is the total opposite of what you guys see.
Yeah.
He's
Ever in college days or?
No, actually, in the story, actually, I used to get bullied a lot, but I used to never let anybody win because I'm a very fast runner. तो हमेशा भाग जाता था.
टाइगर
साजिद,
टाइगर प्रशांत ईटीवी से
Hi, sir.
जैसा जिक्र किया साबिर ने कि कलरी पैट एक बहुत ही पुराना आर्ट है अगर फाइट के हिसाब से देखें तो आपके लिए सबसे खूबसूरत बात क्या रही क्योंकि एक्शन को आप एक आर्ट की तरह ही देखते हैं.
बिल्कुल जी. I think मुझे एक मौका मिला to learn a new art. I would like to thank Shifuji who's sitting here. Master, if you could stand up and just show yourself to him and to the audience. But he's very shy, but he's very talented, and we really owe a lot to him when it comes to action in this film. He's really, shown us the roots of Kalari, and I think the authenticity of the martial art will be seen in the film. And I'm very thankful and blessed to have a master like him to teach me this art and to express it in Baghi. Ji, thank you.
थैंक यू.
टाइगर, क्या हम कह सकते हैं कि एक्शन आपका जॉनर है?
जी फिलहाल तो I think it's too early to categorize me in something.
रोमांस भी बहुत अच्छा करते हैं.
कोशिश तो करता हूँ मैं हर चीज़ करने पर हाँ अब I think it's too early to say. Let's see. I think Baghi has a little bit of everything. So once you see, maybe you can take a call.
टाइगर,
आप
फिल्म में तो
director
आप
भी हैं, तो
श्रद्धा
क्या हम-
के लिए बागी बने हो, बट रियल लाइफ में आप किसके लिए बागी बनोगे या बने हो?
श्रद्धा के लिए.
श्रद्धा के अलावा शायद मेरी माँ. I think for my mom. Yeah.
Tiger, Sabir said a while back that you're also good in romancing. So how was it romancing your childhood friend?
It was very easy because I was very comfortable from day one around Shraddha. बचपन से हम दोस्त हैं. I think we've been in the same school. I've been a fan of Shraddha since her very first film.
I've been a fan of his since ये स्कूल में थे और he used to play basketball with so much passion. मुझे याद है कि टाइगर अपने बास्केटबॉल जर्सी में हमेशा रहते थे. Fully energetic and always like focused, and of course now you can also see that he's focused in what he's doing now. It's great. बहुत मज़ा आया.
Can I finish?
Sorry.
This is my question. So anyways, I was just very comfortable from day one. I remember the workshops when she used to come and Sabir sir used to take our readings. It was just, we used to have such a fun time just reading. And I think the romance in our film is quite strong. It's quite a strong element in our film. And she never once, felt uncomfortable or made me feel uncomfortable at all. And we were just always having fun and laughing. And just every time Sabir sir would say action, we would be in the zone. And every time he would say cut, then we'd just be having fun dancing or something like that. So yeah, it was fun working with her overall.
We were actually like, can you believe it? We're doing a movie together now. Because when you go to school with someone and then you grow up, and then of course both of us, when you have a dream to act and then you end up acting with someone you've gone to school with. So it's really surreal. So पहले दिन से last दिन तक we would be like, in between shots, we would be like, Tiger, can you believe it? हम एक picture कर रहे हैं साथ में. And he'd be like, Shraddha, I can't believe it. And so we were very excited to be working together.